मडगांवां गोंय राज्य फलोत्पादन महामंडळाचो शेतकारांचो बाजार स्थापन करूंक एसजीपीडीए बाजारांतल्या भाजी आनी नुस्तें विक्रेत्यांचो विरोध आसा. मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान शेनवारा शेतकारांच्या बाजाराचें उक्तावण केलें. मात ह्या बाजारांत एकूय भाजी विक्रेतो बसूंक ना. ह्या बाजाराक लागून आमकां लुकसाण जातलें अशें भाजी विक्रेते म्हणटात. 8 दिसां भितर ह्या समस्येचो सुटावो करपाचें उतर मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिलां.
आमची जी एसपीजीडी मार्केट बांदून दिल्या गव्हर्मेंट आमकां थंय खंयचो सजेशन ना. एक रस्तो ना, एक गटार सारको ना. एक 300 जी दुकानां अलॉटमेंट केल्ले एक मेंबराक एक मेंबर आसा आमच्या कडेन. सध्या ती दुकान चलना म्हणून सगळे कडेन वचून ती धंदो करून पोट भरता आपल्याले बायल भुरग्याची सगळ्यो. ती कोण आतां गव्हर्मेंटी चिंतना आमच्या बद्दल आनी एसपीजीडी चिंतना आमी चिंतची पडटा. अलीकडची ती आतां हाडल्या पळय भाजीची ती आतां नुस्त्या बाजारांत आमी येवपा दिना.
आमगे डिमांड आमगे भाजीचे शॉप आहा पळय, भाजी हितून भाजीच आसपा जाय, नुस्तेंच आसपा जाय, फ्रूट हितून फ्रूटच आसपा जाय. तशें करून एग्रीमेंट पेपर बी आहा. बेश्टे ते आज विजेले मनुष्य म्हणून हाडून बसयतलो, फाल्यां आनी कोण दुसरेले मनुष्य येतले ताका बसयतलो. आमी खंय वचपाची? आमगे फॅमिली आमगे पोटा.
इफ देयर अलॉटमेंट इज टेकन अवे देन ओनली दे कॅन मेक ऑब्जेक्शन. फाल्यां आनीक शॉप आसा ताका दिवपाक ऑब्जेक्शन हाव दॅट कॅन हॅपन? द ऑब्जेक्शन हॅज टू बी लॉजिकल. इदर ही इज लुजींग समथींग, ताजें कितें तरी काडून दिलां जाल्यार हांव सोडूंक शकता. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड द कॉज ऑफ हे एंग्यूश. म्हाका तें सांगचें कोण आयला जाल्यार आपय केला तो विशय तसोच चालू उरतलो. फुडल्या आयतारा येवन तांचे कडेन उलोवन ताका सोल्युशन काडलें की मागीर प्रश्न सुटता. आय डोंट हॅव टू रिप्लाय. आय टोल्ड देम व्हेरी क्लियरली दॅट दे हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट द गव्हर्मेंट रिस्पेक्ट्स द सेंटिमेंट.
आतां पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
आयज ही रिलीज मला खूब खुशाल. आनी हे ऑडियो सीडीन आमी डिफरंट म्युजीक घातलां, मातशें बॉलिवूड स्टायल अशें. आनी म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक लायक जातलें म्हणून.
हो म्हजो पयलो फिल्म जावन आसा. हाज्या पयलीं हांव नाटकांनी काम करतां, म्हळ्यार मराठी हौशी नाटकांनी हांव चडशें काम करतां. तर ही म्हजी पयली फिल्म जावन आसा. एक खूब बरो एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्लो.
12th March 1906, our bank was started in a small town Udupi with a small total business of 38 rupees. Today we have nearly 1,650 branches. During this week, throughout the country, we are celebrating this Founders Day, and on account of this Founders Day, we are conducting these health camps.
I do appreciate here for the concerns they have shown to the society by organizing these health camp and other social activities.
भारताचो फुटबॉल मुखार व्हरपाचो पुराय तरेन यत्न करतलो अशें उतर भारतीय फुटबॉल पंगडाचो डच कोच विम कुवरमासान दिलां. 2 दीस चलिल्ल्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय फुटबॉल चर्चा सत्राच्या निमण्या चर्चेंत कुवरमासान फुटबॉला बद्दलच्यो येवजण्यो लोकां मुखार मांडल्यो. ह्या वेळार उलयतना जीएफएचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास धेंपो आनी जीएफडीसीचो अध्यक्ष डॉ रुफिनो मोंतेरोनूय आपलें मत मांडलें.
I will do everything as long as I'm in India to make football progress. There are a lot of good plans. We just heard a lot of things today, but also yesterday, about this should happen, that should happen. We have a plan, we have an academy, but it's not leading into a professional club or a first team. So we build players and they go to professional clubs in the end, but it's the world upside down. I see a lot of professional clubs in India that have only a first team with loads of players, with all contracts, and there's nothing underneath. So we have separate professional clubs, no academies. We have academies without professional clubs. That doesn't make sense. There's a lot of work been done, a lot of money been spent and maybe wasted. But I think once we start working on that part of Indian football, it will filter down into the grassroots as well. So if, let's say, if every professional club has an academy, they start working, let's say, with an under-15 team. And I think Pune is a great example of the ideas that they had and they put in place. They have an under-17 and under-19 team, and the boys are looking forward to become a player of that first team.
I think things have changed if you look at 10 years back and if you look at us today. But the concern is that we are not changing enough. And the concern is we are not changing with the speed that is required. Other countries are overtaking India. We look at whatever has been said, we know the recipes. but we're still not cooking the food. It's the challenge is really on the vitamin M side. What comes first? Investors aren't willing to come. Sponsors aren't willing to come. For example, we won the I-League 5 times in 8 years and we still don't have a lead sponsor. And it's nothing to do with people tell us what is our return on investment. You know, the way the TV coverage is done, you said the TV coverage is there. Yes, but the way it is done, the way the I-League is structured, I think there's a lot to learn from what the keynote speaker has said as to how Japan did it so many years back.
Youth in the 5 schools that we visited were ecstatic. They were overjoyed at seeing the yesteryear stars, of seeing Sunil Chetri and seeing an ambassador like Sunil Shetty. And I think we have to increase the enthusiasm among our youth to take up to the game.
Yes, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, the gold medalists of 1978.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.